You can manifest the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon with literally no action. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And we want to remind you to be sure and click the bell icon because we're here 5 days a week to empower your life with the latest in the law of attraction, the mind sciences, and of course, life empowerment. So you've heard the term, there is no attraction without action. And there's a truth to that, that most things that you will attract in your life require some form of action on your part. Look, just the idea of setting an intention, writing down an intention of something you desire, a better relationship, more money, a new car, a better home, whatever it is an action. But you can manifest without action. There are times in your life, and I know you've already experienced them, when you didn't have an intention, you weren't thinking about it, you didn't write it down, you didn't take any action, and all of a sudden, something just came into your life. Last year, I got a check for about, $1,400, $1,300. It wasn't a huge amount, but it was a death benefit from my father who died way back in 1999. Why I got it so many years later, I have no idea. It just came in the mail. Now you could argue and say, Robert, the action you took is that you walked out to the mailbox and you opened up that mail. Or the action that you took was that you are always focusing on attracting unexpected money. But you could also argue that I really didn't take any specific action to attract that money into my life. The same is true with your relationships. The same is true with your health and your vitality and your happiness. You can attract without any action. So high flyers, the real question is, do you believe that action is required? What is your belief system around action? In other words, if you are going out for, say, you're going to be on the football team, we'll just use that as an example, and you believe that you need to have off-season workouts, you need to lift weights, you need to get out there and run, you need to do push-ups, you need to show up to practice. If you believe all that, if that's part of your belief system, then you will need to take action in order to attract what you desire. But if you can slowly, and it doesn't happen overnight, but if you can slowly start to move your belief system over to believe that all I need to do is show up. All I need to do is take another deep breath, and whatever I desire begins to be drawn to me, because that is my new belief. That's what I now believe. Now, it can't just be a conscious belief. You can't just say a few affirmations and boom, there it is. You have to have it. It has to be part of your subconscious mind. It has to be a part of your subconscious belief, so that your subconscious mind on a deep level believes that no action is required to make the $1 million you desire, to attract the relationship you crave, to have the health and happiness that you deserve. Look at how much action on your part does it take to manifest a sunrise or a sunset or a blue sky or rain or clouds. It doesn't take any action on your part. There's no action involved there. It just happens automatically. You see it and it happens. And it happens on a regular basis. Some things more regular than others. So some things in your life you already believe happen without your taking action. If you can increase that belief to infiltrate other areas of your life, your relationships, your ability to attract money, etc. If you can do that, and you will choose to have a new belief, then you will be attracting without acting. So one of the things that I have discovered, high flyers, is that if I can tap into the vibrational frequency of a situation or a person that has been very successful, and if I could tap into their vibrational frequency and I can learn to model that frequency until it becomes mine. In other words, I know people say, don't do this, don't do this. They've got all kinds of videos out. I fake it till I make it. Fake it till you make it. You practice becoming that vibrational frequency. And so by practicing that over and over and over again, it becomes your new model. It becomes your new way of thinking, your new way of being, but more importantly, it becomes your new vibrational frequency. And if others have attracted large sums of money or reward or lottery winnings without doing anything in particular, you can do it too. You need to model their vibrational frequency. What are they like? What are they thinking? How are they acting? What kind of energy surrounds them? And then model that energy. Now, I guess if you wanted to get real critical, you could say, well, that's still taking some action. And in truth, that you're probably right. Look at people that are dead don't attract very much at all, okay? Because there's absolutely no action in their energy field. But you have the ability, listen to me, you have the ability to draw incredible things to you. I mean, an incredible life. Stop doubting. Stop wondering if it's possible. Give up the naysayers. Get away from them and start choosing to invest in yourself and say, I am a magnet for what I choose to attract in my life. Look at high flyers. Be what you desire to revive unstoppable faith within you. That whatever you desire, you are attracting that, or what? You know what I'm going to say? That or something better. Be absolutely certain that whatever you desire, you are already attracting that or something better. And I hear people that say, I only want him. I know he's an alcoholic and he's kind of mean to me and he cheats on me, but I still love him. Well, okay, so that's what you're attracting. But you can attract something better. Well, I only want $1. If you can help me with $1, that would be wonderful. Okay, but I was willing to help you with 10. Do you see what I'm saying? Don't limit yourself. Have an unlimited mindset. Soar high like a beautiful eagle. Okay? Be unstoppable and allow the flow of the universe to flow right through you and bring you everything you need. The money you desire, the love you crave, the health that you depend upon. It doesn't require a whole lot of action. What it requires is a whole lot of belief. I hope you have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.